The mic's locked. Customer cylinder broke. Never saw this, that the tailpiece broke like that. We installed a new cylinder, rekeyed it and matched it to the lock. Everything works perfect. Let's see that it locks and unlocks. We even cleaned the cylinder and the housing. We made sure that everything works perfecto. And now everything works perfect. If you need a key or a new lock for your commercial lock, please call us today to Mike's Locks at 760-766-0117. Thank you and have a nice day. Customer had a problem with their door in the gas station, so we're cleaning the whole hardware. Is really dirty.